Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a beautiful modern style bedroom set, a bed with two nightstands or bedside tables, and this has a concept of mirror frame on the side tables, and that is quite a unique as well as new concept in bedroom sets. First, let's talk about the bed itself. This bed back is 6 feet high, front is 30 inches high, 2.5 feet till this point. It's a king size bed. When we talk about king size in India, it is 72 inches by 78 inches. So 6 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area. So king size, queen size, super king size, California king size, Eastern king size, all these sizes refer to the mattress area, not the actual bed. We have full list of bed mattress sizes across the globe in major countries, how the sizes are calculated, what they call it. You can pick the size that you have in your area. Let us know what you want, which size you want, we'll make it accordingly. Other thing about the size is the height of the mattress, the thickness of the mattress. It comes from 4-5 inches to 18 inches as well. 24 inches mattresses are also there. So according to the mattress height, we'll adjust the box height to make it comfortable. There's a storage bed that has got two boxes, very easy installation, back, front, two boxes. Put the boxes together, put front and back together, put the bolts from inside and tighten the bolts. That's it. Very easy installation, 5 minutes, just need a couple of guys to handle this. Along with this, we have very beautiful side tables here with a mirror frame. The mirror frame concept generally goes in the round bed, and that is one of the most royal concepts. There's 2 feet left to right, 18 inches front to back, 2 feet high, and a 3 feet mirror on top. So close to 5 feet height for the total area, along with drawers, two drawers to keep the essentials, so you can keep your medicines, your charger, your books, whichever thing you want easy access to, you can keep it here. And the top part can be used to put a bottle there when you are sleeping, a water bottle or your mobile phone or any other thing that you want easy reach when you are sleeping, when you are getting up. The bed is made in teak wood, the back and the front part. The middle part is made of plywood, but when we have the sides carving as well, there are a few designs that I have shown earlier. So if you have carving on the sides as well, the sides are also wood. So this is how the bed is constructed. The side tables also in teak wood. The entire area that you see, the carving part is wood in white and gold highlighting. This white Duco paint, a quite liked paint these days in modern times, and it generally gels with all the interiors, most of the interior designs these days. All our products, whether it's sofa, beds, dinings, consoles, and the wardrobes, crockery units, any unit you're looking at, the swings, the temples, all these units are customized. Customized means they are made to order. So you want it, you let us know what you like. You don't like this fabric, you want something with the crisscross pattern that we call quilting, we'll use that. You want a different color, you want some part to be changed, you don't like this flower, you want a different flower, we do that. So basically what we are doing is making choice wala furniture. So you choose and we make it. Maybe you want a different side table with this bed. You may think this is looking quite heavy. You want a subtle design. We'll do that. You want a different color. You don't like white. You want it gold or natural finish or walnut, cherry, mahogany, triple shade, dual shade. You want it in leafing, gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing. You want it in multiple colors, with highlights of pink, white, highlights of yellow, blue, any color. We are doing all these things and making everything as per your choice and delivering globally. All parts of India and 55 countries we have delivered to already. A huge list of testimonials on the website will show you what all we have done, where all we have delivered, how the people are happy with this stuff because they have placed it, sent the pictures back to us with the blessings, with their love and referral orders. 90% of our business is referral order. So you can understand how much people are liking our work. That is why they are referring us to other people. The last point about the price. We are making here, we are receiving at your home. There is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent in the middle. So this is always the best price, the factory price that we work on. So when you're looking for best deal in best quality branded furniture, you will get it from Aarsun right at your doorstep at factory price. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.